When it comes to your roof, you want a company you can trust. At FRS Roofing Plus Gutters, we are here to provide you with quality roofing services, including roof replacement in Lexington, Massachusetts. For over 20 years, we've earned our name on word-of-mouth recommendations, and a passion for going above and beyond for our customers. We have a team of experienced professionals, who are dedicated to providing exceptional roofing services with integrity and value. We offer a range of roofing options to suit your needs, including shingle, metal, and flat roofs. We take pride in our work and ensure that our customers are completely satisfied with our services. But our commitment to excellence doesn't end with the installation of your new roof. We're committed to being there for you long-term, should any issues arise. We believe in building long-term relationships with our customers based on trust and a job well done. Contact us today at 781-322-6252 to schedule a consultation and experience the difference for yourself. You can also visit our website at www.frsroof.com/roof-replacement/Lexington to know more about the services we offer. For a reliable and trustworthy roofing company to handle your projects, look no further than FRS Roofing Plus Gutters.